The Dunsmore Living Landscape is a precious slice of countryside rich in wildlife. From the outskirts of Coventry and Leamington Spa and crossing the ancient Fosse Way, it is a wooded heartland bursting with life, linked by a network of hedgerows and meadows. Brandon Marsh Nature Reserve sits at the heart of the Dunsmore Living Landscape. Surrounded by a number of other woodland, grassland and wetland reserves, it is a wonderfully wild mosaic of habitats that support a mass of wildlife and is loved by local communities. We are always looking for new ways to connect people with nature and heritage to tell the story of the Dunsmore Living Landscape, so we were really excited to work with Brink Contemporary Arts on 2 new murals at Brandon Marsh. The Year 6 pupils of Binley Woods Primary School helped us to decide which species should appear on the big car park mural. Brink took inspiration from the children's suggestions and from their own experiences of exploring the reserve, and created 2 stunning murals that are wowing visitors. It's thanks to them that we have the striking underwater scene and the words Brandon Marsh, wonderfully wild.
As the work progresses, it sort of pulls together, and I can really start to feel the excitement inside as it builds. It's incredible.
Already alive with colour and movement, we will be working a column of living moss into the large mural.
This is a great way to show that people like us can come up with great ideas like this.
But above all else, the most rewarding feeling is the feeling that we get from what we've produced for the wider community, the visitors that come to this centre, hopefully for generations to come.
Thank you to everyone involved, our funders and everyone who plays the National Lottery.
I love this, it's so cool.